we have this fraction 1 over 4 plus 1 over 6. We have to add them together. I know I've seen that when students have this kind of question, all they do is just 4 times 6, that's 24. The LCM is not 24. And you only use LCM when it comes to addition and subtraction of fractions. When it comes to division and multiplication of fractions, you don't use the LCM. That should be noted. So we have 4 and 6. We can find the LCM of 4 and 6. We start with 2. 2 in 4, because 2 can go in at least one of them, so you use 2. We have to use prime numbers. So we use 2. 2 in 4 is 2, and 2 in 6 is 3. 2 can still go at least in one of them. We use 2 again. 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 3, it can't go, so you repeat the 3. 2 can't go in 3, and you know this 1 is the end of this, so we use 3. Next number that can go is 3. So we have 3 in 1, we still repeat the 1 because 1 is smaller or less than 3. So we do 3 in 3, 1. Once you've gotten to 1, 1, you're done with your LCM. All what you have to do now is multiply all the prime numbers or the numbers you used in dividing the two values or the two denominators in this case. So we have 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So we have our LCM as 12. We go 12 divided by 4 for this one. 12 divided by 4, which is 3. The result, which is 3, times the numerator, the number here, 1. If it were 2, it would be 3 times 2. Since it's 1, 3 times 1 is 3. Now you have your addition sign here. Then we go again. 12 divided by 6 will give you 2. Then the 2 times the value of the numerator, the number on top, that's 2 times 1, you have 2. This is therefore equals to 3 plus 2, that's 5. Your answer is 5 over 12. The reason why this question is coming out is because some students in high school never really knew the relevance of things that include the addition of fractions. When they get to high school and you give them this kind of question, they'll just go 1 plus 1 is 2, then 4 plus 6 is 10. And this is wrong. So this is just to take you back to give you a recap of what you've learned, and this is very important even till your final year in high school, so you have to just note this. What if we have the second question that has a whole number being added to a fraction? Like in this case, we can say it's 2 whole number 1 over 4. We can join them together and get our answer. But for the sake of those who won't understand, or in another case where you can have other things, we can have it as 2 over 1. Then we find our LCM. LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. We can say 4 divided by 1 is 4. The result, which is 4 times 2, is 8, plus 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So we have this 8 plus 1, that's 9 over 4. We can't leave our final answer in this form. We have to convert it from this improper fraction where 9 is on top, the bigger number is on top, and smaller number or the lesser number is below, from this form into a mixed fraction. We divide 4 by 9. Dividing 4 by 9 is 2. Then the remainder is 1 over 4. So doing it either way, we still get the same answer. It just depends on how you understand your fractions. What if we have a mixed fraction and a proper fraction? As we have 2 whole number 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2. There are two ways of solving this question. You can choose to either convert this from a mixed fraction to an improper fraction, then you add. And note that your results should always be in either a proper fraction or a mixed fraction, not an improper fraction. Or we can just add straight. This is 2 and this has nothing in front of it. So we have 2. We add it, that's 2 plus 0, that's nothing, that's 2. Then we'll find the LCM. We know LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Then we can go 4 divided by 4, 1. The result, which is 1, times this 3 will give you 3, plus 4 divided by 2, you get 2. The result, which is 2 times this 1, is 2. Once we have this, we have it as 2 whole number 5 over 4. That's 3 plus 2, we have 5, then we have our 4 below. Now look at this, we have a mixed fraction. When in mixed fraction, we have an improper fraction. That's we have 5 over 4. This 4 is carrying a number bigger than it, which is 5. We can't leave our final answer as this. So we go on and say 2 whole number. Then we break down this into a mixed fraction. We have 4 divided by 5. 4 can divide 5 only once. Then we have it as 1. But we're linking it with these 2. We're linking it with these 2. That's the 2 we have written here with addition. So we have it as 1 whole number. That's 4 in 5 is 1. And we know 4 divided by 5 is 1, remainder 1. The remainder is here as 1 over 4, which is the denominator or dividing number. We still have it like this. Then we can now join it as 2 plus 1. It will give us 3 whole number 1 over 4 as our final answer. Using the second method, we have to convert this mixed fraction to an improper fraction before we add them together. It's allowed when you're solving a question, and this is better, particularly when it comes to subtraction. We'll solve a case in subtraction to better understand what is being said now. So we have 2 times 4. You multiply the denominator by the whole number, then add the result to the 3, the numerator, or the number on top. So we have 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. It has 11 over 4 plus 1 over 2. The LCM for these 2, that's 4 and 2, the 2 numbers below, or the denominators, is 4. So we have 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 times 11 is 11. Plus, we have 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So we have this as 11 plus 2, that's 13 over 4. This, you know, is an improper fraction because the number below is less than the number on top, or the 13 above is bigger than the number below. 4 is carrying 13, that's improper. 4 can carry 13, so we convert it from an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. We'll find out how many times 4 can go in 13. 4 can go in 13 3 times, because we have our 4 times table. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. Since the closest to 13 is 12, 16 is bigger than it, so we can't use 4 times 4, so it's 4 times 3. That means 4 in 13 is 3. So we have it as 3 whole number. The result is 3. Then we have it as over 4. Then what will be on top, the numerator, will be the remainder. 4 times 3 is 12. So we have 13 minus 12. The remainder is 1. So we'll have our answer as 3 whole number 1 over 4. That's the same answer using 2 different methods.